Hello, I'm Joice Yarfi, and I'll be sharing with you some tips I learned from the Best Tech YouTube channel on how to create a professional CV or resume. First of all, a CV includes an individual's experiences, educational background, and qualifications. And a resume includes a targeted list of an individual's skills and experiences. That's the difference between a resume and a CV. A good or professional resume should be clean and easy to read. It should be error-free and visually appealing. That's to say, your CV or your resume should look good. It should be visually appealing. Your CV or resume should include fragmented sentences and should have a good mix of action verbs added to the description. Okay, a good CV or professional resume should be plain and easy to understand. The Best Tech YouTube channel encourages us to be proactive and create our CVs or resumes as soon as we start school. That's because it distinguishes you from other applicants and it gives the employer a good first impression about you. It eases your time, it eases your job search, and it saves you time too. Subscribe to the Best Tech YouTube channel for more information. Best Tech, your best tech.